Today I'm going to show you how to make your computer run faster. I'll show you two ways. So it might not be the case, but it will help you. Anyway, let's get into this. First, I would like you to go to CMD, which is command line language, where you are going to run the command or the code to call those files which are making your computer to be too busy, making your computer too slow. So number one, we are going to call this notepad. Okay, so this is notepad. Okay, on this notepad right here, we are going to run this code percentage temp percentage and something called Prefetch. So these are the code that we are going to use right now to make our computer run faster. So keep it in mind. These are very important. They will allow you to remove some of your information which you are not using right now, but they are simply there making your computer too busy on the background. Like I say, two ways. There's also another third way that you can also find out. Like let me put it right here. Task manager. All right, so these are the two things that I want you to do. One, and then we have number two, which I would like you to do, and then number three. Okay, number one, we are going to call. Okay, let me put this one here. We can simply open CMD. So this is the most important thing. So we can use a shortcut also, start menu and R. Okay, and this screen will appear, the one that you are seeing right here, which is this one. Okay, so here we are going to type percentage temp percentage. All right, so simply percentage like that, and temp percentage. This one right here, this code right here that we are putting on this, all right, it will go, it will call the file which hold those temporary file. Temp stand for temporary file, a file that you don't use on your system, but simply they accumulate themselves on a folder there. So and that folder is called temporary folders. So what we're going to do, we click OK. Okay, so this is what happened. Now you can see number of files right here. You can see them right here. This one, they are like mine now. They are 2 minutes. They just accumulate themselves there without any use. So what I'm going to do right here is simply to delete them. There's no use. They do not. I don't use them. Even you also, you might bought your computer a long time ago and you don't even know what this file are doing right here. So if you don't know the code that we are talking about, it means that this file will normally make your computer too busy, and also they are taking space of your computer. So what I would like you to do right now is that after this, we are going to delete. We have to delete them. Okay, we have to delete this file, this temporary file. So this temporary file, since they do not have any use for us here, we are going to remove them. Okay, so remember, there's two ways to delete the files. We are trying to solve a problem here. Number one way, you can put them in the recycle bin, which they can be there after the time when you want them to move, or you want them to remove them permanently, or you can simply remove them permanently. That's two ways. And what I'm going to do right now, simply press Ctrl+A to select all of these files. You can see I select all of them. Okay, again, okay, we select all of this file as you can see. So remember, we are going to delete them. You select all of them, and then you can simply click delete, or press delete on your computer, or right click on the computer like this, and then just wait a second, and then there's something that will appear here where you can simply click delete, just like this. You can delete that, and then the computer will give us a warning. We already delete them right now, but they are on this folder called recycle bin. Okay, this information. And again, the other delete that you can use, or when you want to delete them permanently, is to simply use shift on your keyboard plus delete. Let me bring in the on-screen keyboard, CMD. I'm going to call this thing and I will call OSK. OSK is on-screen keyboard here, this one. So what I'm going to do right here, I will simply press Shift plus A, this one. You press it and then, or you hold, like where you are right now, I want you to hold Shift and then press delete on your keyboard, just like that. Okay, Shift and then delete. Let me do it here, Shift and delete. So you on your keyboard, I mean on your screen right here, simply Shift delete and then it will give you warning. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 30 items? Yours might be bunch of files around 1,000. Okay, I don't know. Okay, if that is your first time to delete this file, it means that there will be too many, and they will also take a little bit of time or seconds to remove themselves from the system. So what I'm going to do, I will simply say yes, because I do not need anything here. Yes. Now remember, some files they might not want to go now because they are the file which you are using, so you don't have to care about them. All right, so let them remain there. So after you finish, when you're opening your computer, you do this the same style and then you can remove them all. But whenever you open a project or a programs, it will extract itself here on this place. So after that, you can remove the file which you are not using or which are not even running at the background there, because some of these files they are running at the background. So I will cancel that. Now we can go direct into recycle bin, because earlier you remember I removed the file and then they go direct into the recycle bin, because we were using a direct delete from the system. It means that they will stay there unless if I goes there to recycle bin to delete them. There are two ways to get this. You go to the desktop, or you can simply put it here, recycle bin, like this one. Okay, let me enter that. You can see these are the file which we delete from the system under our folder there. So what I'm going to do, I will simply select all of this and then right click, or simply I can simply click delete or press delete from the keyboard. And then, because remember here we are not restoring them, we are permanently deleting the file from the system. So we can simply press delete or click delete, and now we are removing 66 items from our computer. Remember, there's always a warning. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 66 items? Yes, I am, because I do not need them. Now we wait a few seconds and then we can refresh. Let's see what's up. Now they are gone. So this is the first way to delete your temporary file which are making your computer too busy. The other way is simply to use this style also. We have done part one. We done this, which is we have done the first one. We have done that. So remember, we are going to do all these three steps in order to make our computer run faster. I just want you to follow along. Okay, we are going to use this code called Prefetch. So let's go to Start menu and R, and this screen right here will appear just like that. So we are going to type Prefetch. Okay, just like that, Prefetch, TCH, just like that, Prefetch. We are going to press OK. Now it tells us that you don't currently have a permission to access these folders. Yes, I have. So it's like computer telling her that, are you sure you want to view these folders? Yes, I am. Okay, let's wait a little bit. All right. Oh my God, there are too many. There are too many. This file, they are being called temporary file also, but they are called Prefetch. Whenever you open a file, they extract themselves from your program and then sleep right here. So they are simply making your computer too busy at the background. So what we're going to do now, we are going to use the same way that we did on temporal file. We are going to remove this file because they are not important to us. So what we are going to do, we are going to simply click on the window like this and then Ctrl A to select all of this, and then delete. I'm not going to use delete, but I will use Shift delete just to permanently delete them. shift and delete from my keyboard, and then this warning will come. Are you sure? So let me redo it again. Shift delete. Okay, I think Ctrl A, Shift delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 271 items? Yes, I'm sure. You are making my computer too busy, too slow. So what can I do? Keep you there? No, I'm not gonna do that, because I want my computer to run smoothly. So this is what I'm gonna do. I will simply delete this file permanently. Yes, you can see that all of them are gone, but this one still remain there. Why? Because it is still running. They are the program which I am using right now. It might be this file that I'm using. So for me, I'm not going to do anything. I will simply skip it. Like you can do the same, because you can see all the files, they are gone, just like that. So we have done prefetch code, done. We have done this, and we also delete the file from the system. And the last thing is to go direct into Task Manager. Task Manager, there are two ways to get this. You can either use this Task Manager, I don't know, hold on. Okay, or sorry, no, I'm not gonna use that. I think that's a problem there. Okay, here what we're gonna do, we simply have to press, we hold Ctrl Shift key plus Escape, and this thing will appear. Let me bring it on. This is the what we have. Okay, let me write it here, because I wanted to do. To find this thing, I would like you to simply hold Ctrl plus Shift key on your keyboard, then plus we have Escape key, just like that. Ctrl Shift plus Escape key, and this thing will appear. So this is what will happen. So these codes are very important. Remember them. They will help you. So Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key on your keyboard. This screen will appear. This is what we call Task Manager. Task Manager, it allows you to see some of the activities program which are running at the background, all right, on your computer. They will also slow your computer down when you are working. Let's say you open a videos, 3 videos, 4 videos, and you know what the CPU will do, it will simple all those files on the screen right there. And this is the work of what we call random access memory. And if the random access memory is holding many files at the background, your computer will not accommodate that unless you have a good RAMs. Like mine, it is it is 6 GB RAM, which is 6 GB random access memory. So here 6 GB RAM, which is you can see it from here. I have this. Mine is Optiplex 330, which is my system model, my computer system model. And again, also I'm using DirectX version DirectX 12, which means that my computer is somehow faster. Though it is 6 GB RAM, it also allows me to perform many tasks on my computer. So keep it in mind. So all the files which are running at the background there, here you will see what space they are consuming. Like Google Chrome, I'm using Google Chrome right there. The memory size is 550, and when it comes to CPU, it's only taking 4.5, just like that. They keep changing, because if I'm opening too many files, also my memory will start congesting, and also it will make the computer busy. So you can simply remove them. Let me right click on this one, and you can go direct into end task. Right now I don't want to do. Let me simply remove this thing. Okay, you can see that, and way out. Let me do it for you. Go direct into this file called Google Chrome, because remember it is under 65 now. Memory 65 is taking this space, which is 553. Let's see if the memory will reduce or increase. And again, if you look, the CPU side is 33, now it is 24. But let's see if this will decrease if we remove this this program which is running on the background. So we are going to end it. Remember 64, and then let end it. It will drop. Remember it. Yep, now it is dropping. 51. You can see 49, 48, 47. It is dropping because we have removed the file which make our computer run run slower. So you can see even now 49. This is 27, 49, and even this also a taking a space of 403. Let's end it. Let's see what will happen here. You are seeing all this. Okay, 48. Hold on, let's okay, because this thing, and again I'm using this file called OBS. Now it is 50. This one, let me end it again. This is how you can go, let's say Skype. I'm not using Skype right now. Let me remove that. Yeah, now it is dropping. The same thing goes to this thing because I do not need it. Okay, 41, now 39. Now you can see that is dropping. 42, it goes up and down, okay, depending on how many files are running at the background, because some files they can simply run even when you do not want them. So this is how you can make your computer run faster. Please, if you are new to my channel and you would like me to help, just comment down there. And also, if you are new also and you would like to know my next video, I would like you please to subscribe to my channel to support me so that I can do more and I can reach out to many people. So smash the subscribe button, like it, dislike it, and then comment also. And also, if you find this information useful, please share it with friends. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.